Hello everyone. I'm here making a video this morning about Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is a platform designed specifically with remote learning involved or distance learning, but also something that can be integrated fully into our regular classroom situation. Edpuzzle is a platform where you can take any video and turn it into a lesson. With a few clicks, you can find video lessons that have been made by other teachers, including assessment associated with those videos. You can adapt and change a video by embedding your own questions or adding your own voice over certain videos. And with another click, you can assign it to your students, and you'll get the analysis of the results. You can see who watched the video, who didn't understand the lesson, who did a good job, and your students can rewatch the video as many times as they need, and they can use it at their own pace while you can check their progress from your account. So that's the initial introduction to Edpuzzle. As I said, any video can be used to create a lesson, and there's basically 3 steps to it. You find a video on YouTube, or as you see on the left-hand side of my screen here, you can use any of these channels: YouTube, the Khan Academy, National Geographic, TED Talks, Veritasium, Numberphile, or Crash Course. Then you can edit the video to create your own lesson. You can record your voice to personalize it, and you can embed questions into the video. Then by assigning the video to your students, you can check their progress in real time, and they can learn at their own pace. That's it. It's very, very simple.